In the past, if you think about the 1990s, we're talking about blockbuster drugs, right? The Lyricas, the Lipitor, the Viagra's, that was what we had then. But today, again, as I mentioned earlier, the focus is on personalized medicine. And from drug discovery, AI is helping us to go through the drug screening process much quicker and much efficiently, go through previous drug libraries, drugs that have been approved before for an indication or another, and trying to find a new purpose, right? Because we have to think about cost efficiencies. While we, of course, have cell and gene therapies that are, $2 or $3 million per dose, and that's supposed to be a curative approach, that's few and far in between, right? So I think in terms of improving the patient experience, having cheaper drugs, it starts with the drug discovery process and how AI is aiding for us to get drugs quicker to approval, which of course will help to reduce the cost, because right now I think the data are, I would say there's like drug discovery is almost like a 90% failure rate, right? So I think what was the number? I think it keeps changing.
1 in 5,000. 1 in
Okay,
5,000.
right, because you have some people that even say it's 1 in 10,000, and I'm like, okay, that's a little bit more extreme. So I'd agree it's like 1 in 5,000 drugs make it through from the time you think about drug discovery to the time it ends up in a patient's medical cabinet or whatever the case might be. So that's a very high failure rate. That also contributes to the volatility of the industry and any type of hesitancy that investors would have, because it's like, if I'm investing my money, what are the chances? What is the probability of success? So I think, again, if we think about AI as a tool for improving that confidence, because if we can put out products that have the best chances for success, then that means you can recover any monies that you invested.